Hey guys, Marketer Mike back checking in. So today's gonna be actually a really quick video. Today's gonna be a quick tutorial of how to set up an ad purchase campaign from complete scratch. This is gonna be a lot shorter video than my last one that went in full detail. This one's gonna be a quick tutorial for everyone who just wants to see how it's done in a very fast amount of time. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and get to it. So what you're gonna want to do is actually find yourself within your ads manager. This is actually a test ads manager that I already have open. So as you see, we're doing a 2x ROAS since the 11th of this month for our Black Friday campaign. Honestly, not that the best, but it's better than a lot of other campaigns, and we are warming up right now. All right, so let's go ahead and continue. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to create this campaign from scratch. So let's go ahead and hit create. And then what you want to do is go to sales. We're going to make a sales purchase campaign. You see right here, conversions for sales. Go with the manual setup. Go ahead and name this. So do the date. So 11, 18, and then 24, and then do like top of funnel or cold audience. Meaning the first time these people have been exposed to you. Go ahead and scroll down and turn off right here where it says advanced catalog. Scroll down some more. You actually don't need to mess with anything else. Go ahead and press next here. Now, name your first ad set. I would start with a broad ad set. Let Facebook automatically target people for you based on your preferences. Next, you want to go with website. Website and shop has not been working too well. They're trying to compete with TikTok, but it's not working. So just website. Push people directly to your website. Select your pixel. And then go ahead and go with purchases. We want to complete the purchase event. Scrolling down, go ahead and do either $5 or $10 per day per ad set. This is one ad set right here. And then go ahead and scroll down. You don't have to worry about the start date. You can start as soon as possible. Right here, start date. Also, the United States is the main location you would target. You can also target Canada as well, or you can do the big four, but predominantly I would just do US and Canada. Now right here, audience, Advantage Plus audience setup. I would actually switch to original. If you use this Advantage Plus, it will retarget people as well in this. But we don't really, use a lot of the AI that you don't need to use right now. It will still use AI to find the right people, but this algorithm can be kind of confusing when you're first starting out for the program, for the platform. So let's go ahead and continue. Use original. This will give you like original setup, everything right here. If you have gender preferences, you would change that here. If you do age, do like 21 plus, because sometimes that's where the buying behavior really changes. But we'll leave that alone. You can actually continue on, and it'll actually, if you've been running ads, it'll actually give you some ads that it recommends you import, but we're going to go ahead and continue to the ad level and begin creating the first ad. Now, I would just name this ad 1, or like whatever the first ad you're going to load. Select your page in your Instagram account. Select create ad or leave as create ad. Manual upload, and then single image or video. Scroll down right here, set up creative. And then you'd either add your video or image creative. I'm going to do an image right here for an example. Now, this screen can be kind of confusing, but what I want you to do is just skip all this, go straight to add media, upload, and upload from your computer. But we can just upload a picture that we already have, just like this. For the cropping, if it's a 1x1, I just use original, even for the 9x16. Sometimes I'll like specify this if I think it looks good within the 1x91. Go ahead and continue again. Come up with your ad copy. Do like discover or introducing your product. Introducing, and then just do the product name or like what it is. Like don't do anything. You don't do anything specific or extra. Name of product here. What it is, one line slogan as well can go here for your headline, as well as you can do your promo, like any promo you're doing. So those are different things you can do for your headlines. Description not always necessary, but you can add it, say like free shipping, like it's an added benefit. Do caps on the first letter. I'm not gonna go back and do that, but do caps on the first letter. Go ahead and do shop now. And then go ahead and put that URL to that product page, the exact product page you want. Now, also these enhancements. I actually do turn a lot of these enhancements off. Ad catalog, I do leave that on unless it's you only have like one product you're predominantly wanting to push. I will turn that off. Music I turn off. 3D animator I turn off. And then go ahead and hit save. Again, you'll put in that product page URL right here. I'm just going to go ahead and reference that real quick. Shop now. Grabbing that. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and go here with that. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. And that's actually going to be complete for this. Now what you want to do is create multiple ads here. So this is one. Hit duplicate 2 times an original campaign to get upwards of 3. Honestly, I always run like 3 to 5 here. Sorry, I actually messed up on that. Let me delete. So go back to these 3 dots. Oh, sorry, it's called an ad level. Go to the ad level. Go ahead and duplicate on the ad level. An original, existing ad set. Should do existing, and then go ahead and do 2. Now you'll see these copies. Go to each one of these copies. You can change the name. Add 2. Add 3. Again, you can also do the exact name of the product. Clicking on add 2. Now you can go ahead and scroll down and find the media section right here and trash can this media. Then go ahead and add in the next media. Again, add media. Go to the next picture. So on and so forth. And then you go to the next ad right here. Press the trash can again. Add image. Add media. And you would select it. Now, since these are all different products right here, you would do a different name of the product for the headline. It can still be discover the overall brand or something like that, or introduce the overall brand. Now, that's just one ad set. Now, what you want to go ahead and do is hit quick duplicate and make a couple different ad sets as well. So what you want to do is now scroll down and find detailed targeting and choose interest related to this product. So this is like fragrance. So I might do like other fragrances such as like YSL, things like that. Saint Laurent. I might do like trying to think of a cologne. I'm just gonna do fragrances. Man, I'm drawing a blank. Fragrances here, and then it'll give you some. It's not helping me out too much. And then you can go ahead and change that name. So I copy the name of that, copy, and paste over here. Paste. And I'm gonna hit quick duplicate and do that again. Now I like to do like luxury brands. So say I do like Louis Vuitton. There it goes. And then I can go out suggestions to that, and it'll give me a whole bunch of different ones. Now I can do Louis Vuitton. And then I can go ahead and actually close out of this. There's an X right here, right above where I'm at. Sorry, my screen's not cut it off. There's an X right here, X out of that X. So say, hey, do you want to publish these draft items? Go ahead and say no. And then boom, at the top right here where I'm right above, it's going to say review and publish. Hit review and publish. And it's going to go ahead and show you the screen, and you hit publish. And then that's how you create your first campaign. Alright guys, hope this helped. I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.